take the female championship and reserve. So again, you can just see this great number of the Herefords coming in. Again, it's a breed that we know has travelled worldwide, been exported to virtually every country in the world. They will thrive in any condition, always passing on the great credentials and the great conformation, the wonderful docility and the tremendous mothering abilities of these Hereford cattle to all of their progeny. So no wonder they're so highly sought after around the world. So this group just going to start lining up to face you there in the grandstand, so you can admire the beauty of our wonderful native breeds. Behind them we have the Highland cattle coming in now. They're all grinning as well. I wonder what they've been up to. They've all been waiting patiently to come forward to join us. And Jim Ayres from Thetford sent out his young heifer, just 2 years of age. Blackmore Riches is her name here today. She took the overall championship, and it was Mr. Rainey from Dereham with the yearling heifer who took the reserve. The Lincoln Reds also here, just a smaller group of Lincoln Reds, and they're also involved in the Coleman Trophy here. So Mr. Needham's just brought out Walmer Kudos, their overall champion here, to represent the Lincoln Red, one of our great red breeds of cattle in this country. The Longhorn coming in, we've seen some great familiar names here, and the Longhorn Championship going to Mrs. Gerson with Southfield Glory, the older cow there, all the way from Barrows in Suffolk to represent that breed here today. So certainly you've got something to admire as all those breeds come and stand in front of you. The Red Pole, very much at home in this part of the world. Certainly a breed that is, again, another breed that's really come back from the doldrums, having lost out in popularity during the 60s and 70s, now seeing great renewed interest in this breed. Again, it's a dual-purpose breed, but here at Royal Norfolk being categorised under beef line. I think when you look at the Red Poles, you'll see that roundish shape and realise they are very much a beefy animal, but also the great quality of their milk has certainly attracted much attention now from some of the small cheesemakers who certainly revere this particular breed for the quality of the milk, and of course they use it in the specialised cheese market. The South Devons, I mentioned, have had their national show here. We've had over 120 cattle. I think many of the exhibitors who brought South Devons here have never travelled